Just a fun little video to celebrate the season. We have more of our catamaran refitting and sailing adventures coming up soon, so make sure to look out for our videos. And if you want to catch up on what we've been doing, click on one of the cards here. And thanks to all you guys for your support. And now the story of a captain and his 112-pound catch. There once was a boy who bought himself a boat. "I'll cruise the open ocean," in his log he wrote. "I'll fish, and I'll sail, and I'll discover a new land. One with coconuts, and palm trees, and white sparkling sand." Just then it was hatched. The plan was laid. "I'll jump into the deep and find a mermaid. One who is fun with brown eyes and blonde hair. And with her I'll have this amazing life to share. We can play in the sand and chill on the beach. And swim with the fishes, a happy life is in reach." So that's what he did. His mermaid he found, and made a life together. They were adventure bound.
Conservation when you throw some of them back. Here's a little noodle. Starting to get weird on here. The boats, we hit the time of day when it gets weird. Weird stuff happens.
And that one, she does the splash. "What's your name?" Say it in your language. And she goes.
Yeah, just like that.
And don't forget to check us out on Vimeo. We have early release videos that are extended. They have deleted scenes and uncensored footage. You can also find us on patreon.com, where we have more about our refitting and sailing adventures. Thanks for watching. Next time on Sailing and Fun. The storm took our bimini, but we're not going to let it get us down. We have a dance party on the beach, take another dive into the reef, where this time we encounter a couple of sharks, and then have a beautiful sunset sail.